Thanks, Amit. Due to the COVID 19 lockdown, many companies are facing challenges in meeting their compliance obligation. This may be due to shortage of staff or lack of technical infrastructure at their end. In view of these challenges being faced by the companies, the Government of India issued an ordinance on 31st of March 2020, wherein they have extended the time limit for furnishing of returns, filing of appeals, filing replies to notices, filing refund applications, etc. to 30th of June 2020. This is applicable in cases where the limitation period for such compliances was falling between 20th of March 2020 and 29th of June 2020. In addition to the above, the GST laws has also been amended to bring in a special provision wherein the government can now extend the time limit of any of the compliances beyond 30th of June 2020 in the event of a force majeure. They have defined force majeure to include epidemics and pandemics as well. The government is also ensuring that the customs clearances can happen on a 24/7 basis so that there is least possible disruptions in import and export transactions. From a litigation standpoint, courts and tribunals are only hearing urgent matters and adjourning the rest of the matters. They are also ensuring to the extent possible that the hearings take place via video conferencing facilities. So the companies must now take a stock of their pending litigations to see if there are any matters which are urgent in nature and move appropriate applications before the various forums so that their matters can be heard on priority. Companies who are dependent upon import of raw material from countries such as UK, Germany, Italy, France, most of the EU nations, China, US, are also facing major disruptions in the supply chain because of the lockdown in such countries. There may be delays in transportation as well as availability of stock in the market. Since this is impacting the supply chain, it also leads to a revenue implication. Businesses which are importing goods from highly affected countries like China could in future face significant breakdown in supply versus demand. Therefore, companies should reassess their supply chain from the point of view of FTA benefits as well to ensure seamless supply of raw material with minimum cost escalations. Thank you.